Good morning, everyone. I haven't even slept. So I thought, what better way than to start my day with a little bit of makeup. So yeah, per usual, what's gonna happen? I don't know. But first things first, let me put on the base. And we're back. So now I'm actually just gonna contour my nose a bit. Alright, that's fine. Okay, so now let's go in and go ahead and do the brows. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a bunch of little hairs. It's a little bit better. Okay, but then let's go in with like a different color just to give it a little bit more dimension. Nice. So I'm gonna take this angle brush and I'm just gonna clean up this edge here using that concealer color. So now we're gonna prime our lids. We're going to set that with some eyeshadow in a similar shade. Now the question is, what do we do next? I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's a blending brush. I guess we'll use this palette, even though I really hate it. Not sponsored. So a little trick that I learned is to just like pat the color where you want to build it up, and then you can like blend it out as you want it. And let's just cover the whole lid, why not? Now let's take a clean blending brush and then just like go back over the edges and just like really blend those down. Going right in that outer third or whatever. So how do we make this interesting? I do love the idea of like drawing on lashes, so I think I'm just gonna do that. So I just have this little paint pot from L'Oreal and we're just gonna draw on some lashes. Maybe I need to put a lip on to feel pretty. And now I'm just gonna add some rhinestones. It's kind of trippy because it kind of like, I have two sets of eyes. Okay, let's glow up. I think just at the tip of the nose. Maybe a little bit on the bridge, just to keep it though. Oh, you know what? A little bit on the lips though, and that's cute. So now we're gonna take the NYX glitter primer and we're just gonna put it upon the eyes. And then I'm just gonna press the glitter directly on. Simple, yet effective. And now I'm just gonna dust off this excess glitter. My brows are really bugging me. They're like a little bit too set in reality while the rest of this is like kind of fantasy. Let's figure that out. Alright, so I fixed my brows. Basically what I did was I took some of Abused, put it on this brush, this skinny little one, and just you know? And that kind of tied it all in. I feel like I need to warm up the face a bit. Bring it all the way up there. And up here, why not? And then we'll put a bit on the nose. I did not need these rhinestones. I think the rhinestones look stupid. No, I miss them. You know what it's like to be inside my head? These videos. I mean, at least that kind of opens me up a bit. Let's see if I can find a look for this. Ooh! Alright, I get it now. Not really getting drag queen per se, but I'm getting kind of like 80s. It's kind of funny because this is kind of bringing me back to whenever I was like in Rock of Ages and kind of like bringing me back to all those makeup plots, and this is definitely kind of giving me that. Nobody really had this makeup in the production that I was doing, but still it like gives me like a little bit of Kiss vibes, I think, because of the like graphicness of the lash and all that. How long did that take me? Almost 2 hours. That's actually not bad. That's actually really not bad at all. Okay, good. Good for me. That's it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, I'll see you in the next one, if there is a next one. Bye!